visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Aries, welcome to Babaylan TV, and where intelligent spiritual meets. And I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Wow, let's start right off the bat. Aries, bakit parang meron tayong hindi na natin alam kung saan papunta itong relationship na ito? It felt like medyo lost tayo. Meron ding sense of siguro suspense, no? Pero yung suspense kasi na yon, usually dapat masaya, no? Pero kasi yung sa inyo, nafe-feel nyo ngayon parang may kaba, more of fear as well, dahil hindi nyo alam kung kailan magpipeak, no, itong relationship, or baka it all go down, no, into a spiral. Although merong mga adrenaline rush na parang pabigla-bigla mga desisyon, no, the decisions may be coming from you or from your person. Sa mga singles, I think medyo nag-iiba-iba tayo, no, ng sigurong gusto. Sa mga crushes and no labels, minsan hindi natin sure kung ito bang araw na ito, papansinin ba tayo dong person natin, no? It felt like kapag lumipas yung araw na to na okay, bukas kakabahan tayo, baka hindi na naman tayo pansinin, hindi na naman siya mag-scene, no, sa ating stories, my day, hindi na naman siya mag-respond, no. Doon sa mga in a relationship, married couple, I feel like you are medyo rocky ang situations na yon, no. The third party situations, medyo kinakabahan rin tayo. Baka kung ikaw yung third party, kinakabahan ka kasi baka mamaya hindi na magpakita si person, no. Kung ikaw naman yung original, parang yung parang sa'yo medyo nag-focus yung reading eh. Parang sinasabi nito, medyo nakikita mo na, nagbibigay na ng attention, affection si person sa akin ngayon. Unlike before, no? Separated, mas lalo tayong kinakabahan kasi siguro ikaw, medyo nag-hope ka pa, pero nakakakita ka na si person medyo lumalandi na sa iba, or hindi na, kumbaga, tinitingnan mo siya palayo, no? Hindi na ganun ka-responsive. Mas lalong sabihin natin lumabnaw, no, itong kanyang pakikitungo sa atin. The Four of Swords, the Empress, the Two of Wands. So, binabalak nyo sana to pull the energy more into you. Paano? Let's say, siguro tinitingnan nyo yung sarili ninyo sa salamin, no? Parang sinasabi nyo, ay, si person siguro hindi na nagpe-pay ng attention sa akin. Siguro I need to do something. I don't wanna say na nagkikick in yung insecurities. Siguro lang you just want to improve something. Well, for a little, for a small percentage of you. Siguro nga, no, nakikick in itong sabihin nating insecurities. Pero yung iba, you know, I'm finding ways to enhance myself para mas lalo mag-focus siya sa akin. I don't want my person to remove their attention to me. Okay. So, for a few numbers of you, siguro, nandiyan na yung nagpakulay ng buhok, um, nagpagupit, nagpalagay ng extensions, no? Um, nagpapalit ng nail polish, ayan. Changing your outfit then for a few numbers. Sabihin natin going nasa gym, no, to be toned, or baka yung iba naman nagpapalagay ng laman, no. It doesn't matter. To the extent of probably you're doing something under the knife, or going under the knife, yung magpapa-enhancement, no. Wala naman tayong problema doon as long as kaya, no. Bakit hindi? Ang attention kasi natin ay, ang goal kasi natin dito is si person hindi na siya tumingin sa iba at parang sabihin natin, um, hindi naman ito selfish eh. Yung parang gusto ko sa akin lang siya. Na, with the Queen of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles. So you're working on something, pero medyo, sabihin na kasi natin with the Ten of Wands, medyo mabigat siya, whether it is financially for you, mabigat siya whether it is also emotionally, dahil nga nakikita mo yung changes, yung coldness. So, here you are, that makes sense, no? Para doing something really to make your person more fond of looking at you, talking to you. Let's clarify the Ten of Wands, the Star, and the Six of Pentacles. Parang gusto mo kasing mangyari dito is mag, if not mataasan, no, yung binibigay mo, ma-level man lang sa parehas ng energy. Let's say, siguro sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, yes, it's impossible siguro na maging 100%, no, katulad nung binibigay ko. At least mapantayan man lang, kahit hindi na i-exceed, hindi na ako nag-expect na i-exceed niya, no, ang kanyang efforts to me, no. Ang importante kasi dito is more of maibigay niya sa akin, no, somehow yung satisfaction na halos kadikit doon sa effort na ginagawa ko. The Queen of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups. Wow. I feel like this is not really the week para bumitaw. I feel like mas kailangan natin na magpursige if we truly wanted the connection, no, to work, because I can see here, baka matrigger kasi tayong turn our back, no, dun sa ating person. But then again, that's your, you know, kung ano yung trip nyong gawin. Especially kung feel nyo na hindi na siya, you know, nagwo-work sa inyo. Kung feeling nyo naman mas lalong nagwe-waste down yung energy, kasi nakikita ko hindi pa ito yung week for your person, no, na maibigay niya kung ano man yung, or ma-achieve mo yung goal mo. More of mas kailangan natin ngayon mas magpursige. Siguro yung iba, no, pinanghihinaan na ng loob, tinatamad na rin. Chances are baka huminto, no, this week, or hindi na muna pansinin yung person. So, yeah, this is your guide for this week, Aries. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, dyan po tayo nagla-live, no? Meron po tayo doong pwede kayo magtanong sa Babaylan TV. Kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions, no, for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Scorpio, Taurus, Leo, Virgo, Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius, no? So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.